Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your host, Santos Capitan Jr. Always wishing you a good day. Now today what I'm going to show you, this is part 2 of this solar light fixing, okay? Now actually the problem of this is no longer working, okay? Even it is, let's say, this is a sunny day, then during night time, this solar lamp is no longer working. In my part 1, I was trying to remove this panel glass, okay? So actually, since this is, as I said, this is IP66, so we are hoping or we are thinking that this one is really glued, okay? This front is glued on the casing, okay, on the case, wherein to prevent the moisture from getting inside the electronic part. That's why it is IP66 or increased protection 66. Okay, so outdoor application. Now guys, this one is no longer working. So what I did, I tried to get a sheet of metal, then try to loosen up here, do something like this. Okay, so I was trying to actually my thinking is to remove the glue on this part, okay, but actually there's no glue there, so I just try to keep on scraping it. Then I use this piece of metal, okay, so you need to get a piece of metal, or if you have something like a scraper, okay, so what you need to do is just to slowly do like this, then try to pry it slowly. Have patience, okay. So to make the story short, so I was able to move it a little, then try to pry it, okay, then till I was able to remove this front cover, okay. So this is the glue, as you can see here, this is the glue, okay. This is the glue that I was able to remove. As you can see, it's really glued together, okay. So anyway, when I'm going to fix it, I'm going to use, I think this is just a silicone, okay. Now I will be trying to use a silicone here to be able to fix it, okay. So once you remove this, then you have an access to the inside of this solar lamp or solar light, okay. So you have to remove this reflectorize, okay. I think the purpose of this is to concentrate the light or make more light effect, okay. So this is the battery. Now I guess the problem is the battery. Again, this is glued in this part, okay. So this is the battery that I need to replace, because I tried to measure this one, okay. When I tried to measure this one, it is 0 volts already. Okay, I hope there is no problem, there is no physical problem in the electronic part here. I don't think there's a problem here. So I'm just hoping when I replace this battery, this lamp will work again, okay. So this is how you are going to remove this front cover, okay. So don't forget, when you get the new battery, actually I already ordered the battery. It is around 100 pesos, more than 100 pesos, then plus the shipment, then it cost me around 200 pesos, okay. But the cost of this one is around maybe 600 pesos. Then now I use this one for almost more than a year, okay. Anyway, I need to buy and try to replace this battery, then connect it to the solar panel. Let's see if it's going to work again. That will be part 3, okay. Hopefully the battery will come this week, so I can show you the part 3 of this solar lamp fixing, okay. So again, you need to do you have to have a patience to remove this one. As I said, this is glued, okay. So it's really hard to remove this one, but with perseverance, you can remove it slowly. Try to use something like this or wider than this to pry it slowly like this, okay. Then all the sides you can pry it slowly, move it, then eventually it will peel off. Okay? So guys, you have to use something like this, a thin metal, okay? But I use here a strong one. So this one is a little bit thicker, okay? So there is some force when you try to use it for frying, okay? So you will fry like this one. Okay? So first, shake it loose a little, then try to fry like this, okay? Then it will come off. Okay? So guys, this is how you are going to remove this front glass cover of your solar lamp. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I do hope I have given you an idea how are you going to fix your solar lamp or solar light if it's no longer working. Basically, the main problem there is the battery. Okay, so if the battery is dead, you can no longer recharge it, then you have to replace it. So part 3, please watch for my part 3. I will try to upload it once I get the battery replacement from Lazada. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is your host, Santos Capilan Jr., always wishing you a good day. Bye for now.